Yeah, hello student. So this is Om Prakash Yadav. In the previous lecture, I have covered the basic fundamental idea regarding the relative velocity method for the analysis of mechanism, and also I have discussed the velocity of a link, how to draw the velocity diagram of a link. So now I want to go to see that what are the common steps to draw the velocity diagram and solve the problem on the velocity of the mechanism. We are dealing with the relative velocity method. So before solving this problem, let us discuss what are the common steps to draw the velocity diagram. So number one, what you have to do, you have to take some suitable scale and draw the configuration diagram. Whatever diagram is given, first let us draw that diagram in a scale. Roughly they have to given, and you have to draw that diagram in some scale. Okay, suitable scale means what? You have to see that see what are the smallest dimension and what is the largest dimension. So your scale should be such that this smallest dimension are not very small in the scale, and a large dimension do not becomes large. So you have to make compromise between the smallest and the largest dimension. So you have to take a proper decision while taking a suitable scale. Means your diagram should not be very small or your diagram should not be very large. That should be comfortably which can be made on your copy. Okay, so first step is that you draw the space or configuration diagram in some suitable scale. So I have drawn for this problem. Now next step is that you have to calculate velocity of at least one point. Actually that will be the input variable that should be given in the problem. If that is directly given, it is okay. If that is not given, analytically you have to calculate the velocity of at least one point. Acha, then what is the next step? Next step is that you have to take a suitable scale to draw the velocity diagram. If you are drawing the space diagram at the top, then at the bottom you have to draw the velocity diagram. When I will discuss the acceleration diagram should be drawn below the velocity diagram. So take a suitable scale and you start to draw the velocity diagram. When you are going to draw the velocity diagram, then before the drawing you have to take a reference point. A reference point is showing the fixed point, ground, ground, that is generally represented by O. That is generally represented by O. Now the capital letter in the space diagram are represented by its corresponding small letter in the velocity diagram. Corresponding small letter in the velocity diagram. So, and one thing more, also to draw the velocity diagram, you have to take some suitable scale. Suitable scale means what? Your velocity diagram should not be very small or should not be very large. So, accordingly, you have to take. Now, let us read the question, and as per the steps, you have to proceed. So, you can take the snapshot of this question. I'm reading the question in a 4-bar mechanism. A, B, C, D as shown in the figure. Crank rotate at, this is the crank which rotate at 120 rpm in clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. Find velocity of point C, angular velocity of link BC, velocity of point A. On the link BC, this link BC is just like a plate. This is just like a plate. So also he is asking what is the velocity of point A. What is the velocity of point A? That they are also asking, and angular velocity of this link CD. They are asking. So in the figure they have given this is of 40 mm, this is 150 mm, this is 80 mm, and this is 150 mm. This angle and this angle is 30 degree. This both angle are at 30 degree. Okay, so I have taken 20 mm is equal to 1 centimeter. So smallest will be 2 centimeter and the largest will be 7.5 centimeter. So that is what comfortable. Accordingly, I have make here. Then what you have to do, calculate the velocity of at least one point. Means first of all you have to calculate the velocity. Look it here, angular velocity they are given in rpm. So what will be omega of this link AB? So omega is equal to 2 pi n divided by 60. From that you can calculate. So that will be 12.566 radian per second. Actually that is capital MAV because this is in rpm, so calculate into radian per second. That will be what omega. So what will be velocity of this point B? They are rotating in that way, so this link AB is rotating about this point A. So this velocity of point B is equal to this AB into angular velocity omega AB. So how much is AB? 40 mm means 0.04 meter, because I want the velocity in meter per second, and omega AB is 12.566. So how much you are getting the velocity of point B? That is 0.5026 meter per second. So I have calculated velocity of at least one point. So you have to note, because here I will draw the velocity diagram. Then you have to take some suitable scale. You have to take some suitable scale to draw the velocity diagram. Then you take a reference. So for the velocity diagram, what scale I am taking? For the velocity diagram, I am taking 0.1 meter per second is equal to 1 centimeter. So 0.5 will be 5 centimeter. First of all, you have to take some reference point. So this A and D both are the fixed. This A and D, this both are the fixed. So you take together, all the fixed are taken at one place. So this A and D is here. So this is our reference point. Also we can say the O are A and D. That are our reference point. Now, what procedure should be adopted to draw the velocity diagram? I have developed it here. You can also see from here. Whatever I have written, same thing I will tell and I will follow up. Now, let us see that what I am doing. You sit at the point A. This A is a fixed point, and I am looking the velocity of point B. We are looking from the fixed, so that will be the absolute velocity of point B. So you know the absolute velocity of point B is 0.5 meter per second. So in scale will be 5 centimeter. But where will be its direction? Where will be its direction? Let us see. थोड़ा इसको ऊपर कर लेते हैं हम लोग. Our reference point is here. So velocity of point B, when you are looking from A, will be perpendicular to AB and in the direction of rotation. Already I have told. So that will be in this direction. In this direction. So I am not doing here. So perpendicular, draw a line from this by using many drafter or using the set square. You can draw the parallel and perpendicular line. I am using the many drafter for my making the note. So perpendicular to AB. So you are looking from A. Then you draw from A. आप जहां से देखोगे वहीं से draw करना. जहां से देखोगे वहीं से draw करना है. क्या draw करना? Perpendicular to AB. So I am drawing perpendicular to AB line. And also you know that velocity of point B is 5.5 meter per second. So in scale that will be 5 centimeter. So that is known. So velocity of point B is known completely in magnitude and the direction. So this is B and this is the velocity of point B. This is B and this is the velocity of point B in magnitude and direction. That will be perpendicular to AB. So look at here, same thing I have written. So this is the tabular hint for you. जब आप रिवीजन करते हो तो आप भूल जाते हो, तो इस टेबल से आपको याद हो जाएगा. आप टेबल जरूर बनाएं, तो यहाँ से आपको याद रहेगा क्या करना है. ओके. So what I am written, point to be seen. किस पॉइंट को देखना है? तो B को देखना है. With respect to मतलब कहां से देखना है? तो A से बैठ के देखना है B को. जब आप A से बैठ के B को देखेंगे, here procedure what you have to draw. Draw perpendicular to AB from A. हमने कहां से देखा? A से. तो ड्रॉ कहां से करेंगे? A से ड्रॉ करेंगे. A से ड्रॉ करेंगे. Is equal to how much? BB is equal to 0.5 meter per second. So convert into scale, that will be 5 centimeters. So 5 centimeters. Now, so you know you have fixed the point B. Now I am going to see the point C. I have seen the point B. Now I am going to see this point C. So this point C can be seen from B and can be seen from D. Let us look the point C from B. So I am going to see what point should to be seen C from where? From B. जब आप B पे बैठ के C को देखेंगे, then velocity of point C with respect to B will be perpendicular to BC. Velocity of point C with respect to B will be perpendicular to BC. तो आपने B से देखा तो B से ड्रॉ करेंगे a line which is perpendicular to BC. A line which is perpendicular to BC. So this is a line which is perpendicular to BC. So you are not able to fix the point C. So let us see the point C from some another point also. Now I am going to see the point C again from the point D. जब आप D से C को देखेंगे, the velocity of point C with respect to D will be perpendicular to CD. आपने D से देखा तो D से CD के perpendicular line आप ड्रॉ करेंगे. जब perpendicular line आप ड्रॉ करेंगे तो ये दोनों जहां पे इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे वही आपका पॉइंट क्या होगा? C. So the intersection of these two will be the point C. अब आप इसको ज्वाइन कर दीजिए कंप्लीट लाइन से. So this is the velocity diagram of this 4-bar mechanism, and this will be the velocity of point C in magnitude and the direction, and this will be the velocity of point B with respect to C, that will be from C to B. If you are to calculate BCB, then that will be from B to C. Magnitude will be same, just the direction will be reversed. Just the direction will be reversed. So this is the velocity diagram for this ABCD. Now there is one more point, that is E. So this link is just, this is link BCE. BCE. तो आपने B को देखा, C को देखा, फिक्स हो गया. Now you have to see to the point E. Now I am going to see the point E. तो आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. You sit at the point B, see to the point C, and you see that this E is on the right side or on the left side. So from B, see to the point C, then what you are looking, that point E is on the left hand side. Similarly, you sit on the velocity diagram at the point B and see to the point C, then point E will be on what? On the same side, that is what? On the left side. So pointer on this BC, that point E will be on the left side, that is on inside. Now what you have to do, from B this angle is 30 degrees, so from B you make a angle of 30 degree. Make an angle of 30 degree, so this is what? 30 degree. Now from C this angle, this is again 30 degree, so you have to make the 30 degree from C also, and the intersection of these two will be the small e, that is velocity of point E. So you have fixed this angle is again 30 degree, so 30 degree 30, from B 30 degree, from C 30 degree. Now this will be the absolute velocity of point E. This will be what? The absolute velocity मतलब from means from the fix. So this end D is fixed. तो fix से आप उसको join करेंगे, then you will get the absolute velocity of point E. So this is our complete velocity diagram for this problem. This is the complete velocity diagram for this problem. ये प्रोसीजर हमने यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ, ड्रॉ 30 डिग्री फ्रॉम द, तो बी पे बैठ के सी को देखा तो क्या देखा कि लेफ्ट में है, तो बी पे बैठ के सी को देखा तो ई किधर होगा? लेफ्ट में. तो लेफ्ट में आप ये एंगल बना दो, बी से 30, सी से 30, जो भी दिया हो 30 40 उतना बना दीजिए. यहाँ पे जहां पे दोनों लाइन इंटरसेक्ट करेंगी, that will be the point E. You join from the fixed point to get the absolute velocity of point E. What will be the CE? That will be velocity of point E with respect to C. Velocity of point E with respect to C. What will be BE? What will be velocity of point E with respect to B? So anything you can calculate now. So that is for your help. That is for your help. Or in another later when you solve the problem, then I will not make this procedure. Just I will tell. So in that way you can make your procedure now. So after drawing the velocity diagram, you have to do the calculation. You have to do the calculation. So calculation part is very easy. Calculation part is very easy. already I have calculated what I have calculated. Velocity of point B is 0.5026 meter per second. I have calculated velocity of point B. Now, what will be the velocity of point C? Look at here, this is the point C. So, from the scale you measure this. Absolute means from the fix. So, that will be AC. This is the point C. So, from fix. So, this is AC into scale. What AC into scale? So, velocity of point C, AC, you can measure from here. So, I have solved this problem in scale. So, what I am getting in my scale, 3.8 centimeter. So, 3.8 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equal to 0.1. So, 0.1 meter per second. So, how much I am getting in my scale? 0.38. Whatever scale you take, you will get the same answer. Your answer will be same. Intermediate calculation, this can be different, but your final answer will be same. Now, what is the velocity of point B with respect to C? VBC. Look at where is B and where is C. This is B and this is C. So this BC will be the magnitude of VBC and this is the direction. VBC, this is the direction. So you are going to calculate. So this BC into scale. BC, so this is B, this is C. So BC into scale. BC into scale. So BC को जब आप मेजर करेंगे तो आपका आएगा 2.0 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equal to 0.1. So you will get VBC is equal to 0.2 meter per second. So that is your answer. That is your answer. Now you can calculate what is the angular velocity of VBC. So omega BC, let us apply V barabar R omega for the length BC. So that will be what? VBC, magnitude of velocity only, divided by BC. So what is VBC? This is 0.2 meter per second. This is in meter per second. So BC should be meter. So 150 mm means what? 0.15 meter. So we are getting this omega BC is equal to 1.33 radian per second. So that is again your answer. That is again your answer. Now, so omega CD. So omega CD is equal to VCD mass magnitude of this velocity of C with respect to D bata ke CD. So velocity of point C with respect to D and D is fixed means what? This is velocity of point C divided by CD. So what is the velocity of point C? Already you have calculated. So this is 0.38 divided by CD. So 80 mm. So that should be meter 0.08. So we are getting omega CD is equal to, you are getting omega CD is equal to 4.75 radian per second. One more thing is remaining. What of velocity of point E? So what will be velocity of point E? Absolute velocity of point E. So from the fix, this A will be the absolute velocity of point E. So this A into scale. So velocity of point E, A, what I have got in my scale, 3.75 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equal to 0.1. So velocity of point E is equal to what I am getting, 0.375 meter per second. So very easily, if you are able to draw the velocity diagram, then just by measuring and multiplying the scale you can get, and you can do the calculation. This is very famous formula, V barabar R omega. Just you apply for any length, for any two velocity, any point, any 2 point, you can apply this formula. So for BC I have applied here, and for CD I have applied here. So velocity of point C with respect to D is fixed. So that is meaning of that velocity, absolute velocity of point C, and already you have calculated. So That is the procedure. I think very in a crystal clear manner you have understand, and you can solve the another problem, any problem of this variety you can solve. You can solve. Okay, in the next lecture I will see some another problem. Thank you very much.